Phosphorus is the 15th element on the periodic table with the atomic number 15. It is a non-metal that belongs to group 15, sometimes called the nitrogen group. Phosphorus is essential for life and has many important uses in industry and agriculture. It does not exist naturally in its pure form because it is highly reactive. Instead, phosphorus is found combined with oxygen and other elements in minerals called phosphates. Phosphorus was first discovered in 1669 by a German alchemist named Hennig Brand. While trying to make the philosopher's stone by distilling urine, Brand isolated a glowing white substance which was phosphorus. This discovery showed early on that phosphorus was linked to living things and organic material. Phosphorus occurs mainly in phosphate rock, which is mined in large amounts worldwide. This rock contains calcium phosphate minerals such as apatite, which are processed to produce phosphorus for fertilizers and other products. The main producers of phosphate rock are Morocco, China, the United States, and Russia. Phosphorus exists in several different forms called allotropes. The most common are white phosphorus, red phosphorus, and black phosphorus. White phosphorus is a waxy, translucent solid that glows faintly in the dark and is very reactive and toxic. It ignites spontaneously in air at about 30 degrees Celsius, so it must be stored under water or in sealed containers. Red phosphorus is much more stable, less toxic, and appears as a dark powder. It is used in safety matches, pesticides, and flame retardants. Black phosphorus is the least reactive allotrope and has a layered structure similar to graphite. It is being studied for use in electronics due to its special electrical properties. Phosphorus makes up about 0.1% of the Earth's crust, which is not very much compared to other elements. Still, phosphate rock deposits are concentrated enough to support large mining operations. Phosphorus is one of the 3 main nutrients plants need, along with nitrogen and potassium. It is essential for plant growth, so phosphorus fertilizers are critical in modern agriculture to maintain high crop yields. In living things, phosphorus is vital. It forms part of DNA and RNA, which carry genetic information in all organisms. Phosphorus is also a key part of ATP, adenosine triphosphate, the molecule cells use to store and transfer energy. ATP powers many processes like muscle movement and nerve function. Phosphorus is a major mineral in bones and teeth, where it combines with calcium to give strength and structure. In humans, phosphorus is the second most abundant mineral after calcium. Humans get phosphorus from foods such as dairy products, meat, fish, nuts, beans, and whole grains. The body absorbs phosphorus efficiently and controls its levels through the kidneys. Phosphorus deficiency is rare but can cause weak bones and muscle pain. Too much phosphorus, usually from supplements or processed foods, may harm people with kidney problems and lead to heart issues. Phosphorus production begins by mining phosphate rock. The rock is heated with carbon and silica in electric furnaces to produce elemental phosphorus vapor, which then cools into solid phosphorus. This process uses a lot of energy and produces waste gases like carbon monoxide, which must be managed carefully to avoid pollution. Most phosphorus is not used as pure phosphorus but converted into phosphate fertilizers. Phosphorus compounds are important in many industries. Phosphoric acid is used in soft drinks, food additives, detergents, water treatment, and metal cleaning. Phosphates improve animal feed and help plants grow. Phosphorus-based flame retardants make plastics, fabrics, and building materials less flammable. One big environmental problem with phosphorus is water pollution. When excess phosphorus from fertilizers or sewage runs off into lakes and rivers, it causes overgrowth of algae called algal blooms. These blooms use up oxygen in the water, killing fish and damaging ecosystems. Managing phosphorus runoff is a key challenge for farming and urban areas, requiring better fertilizer use, wastewater treatment, and erosion control. Phosphorus is a limited resource because phosphate rock deposits are non-renewable. Concerns about running out of phosphate have led to efforts to recycle phosphorus from sources like animal manure, human waste, and food industry leftovers. Recycling phosphorus reduces pollution and helps conserve this vital nutrient for the future. In recent years, black phosphorus has attracted attention for new technologies. Its layered structure and electrical properties make it promising for flexible electronics, sensors, and semiconductors. Phosphorus compounds are also being researched for use in batteries and energy storage. Agricultural research focuses on improving how efficiently phosphorus fertilizers are used. Techniques like soil testing, precision farming, and developing crops that absorb phosphorus better help reduce fertilizer needs. Slow-release fertilizers and biofertilizers improve phosphorus availability and reduce environmental impact. The natural phosphorus cycle moves phosphorus through soil, water, plants, and animals. Microorganisms break down organic matter to release phosphorus plants can use. This cycle keeps soil fertile and ecosystems healthy. Pollution and land changes can disrupt this cycle, harming agriculture and biodiversity. Phosphorus also has medical uses. Some phosphate salts are used as laxatives and antacids. Phosphorus-containing drugs treat certain cancers and other conditions. Dental products use phosphorus compounds to help protect tooth enamel. Handling phosphorus, especially white phosphorus, requires care because it is highly reactive and toxic. White phosphorus can cause severe burns and poisoning. Safety rules govern how phosphorus is stored and disposed of to protect people and the environment. In summary, phosphorus is a crucial element with wide importance in biology, agriculture, industry, and technology. It is essential for DNA, energy transfer, and bones in living things. Its industrial uses include fertilizers and flame retardants. Environmental and resource challenges make sustainable management important. Advances in recycling, farming, and new materials like black phosphorus promise to keep phosphorus valuable for the future. As the global population grows, careful phosphorus stewardship is key to supporting health, food production, and ecosystems worldwide.